Inspired by you, DecoRug.
Luxury vinyl planks have really come into their own recently. And when you take a closer look at the authentic wood grain texture and beautiful timber colours on offer, well, it's easy to see why they've become so popular. Exclusive to DecoRug, the TIMBERNEER vinyl range is a premium quality product, developed specifically for high traffic areas, making it ideal for busy households, as well as for commercial areas such as shops, cafes and restaurants. The big advantage of luxury vinyl planks over timber and laminate is, well, they're softer, they're quieter, and they're more comfortable underfoot. They're also water resistant, so you have a beautiful timber look and total peace of mind. Here's what else you might like about TIMBERNEER luxury vinyl flooring. There are 8 on-trend colours to choose from, including whitewash, grey tones and the ever-popular traditional timber tones. Each board is 228mm wide and 1219 long. They come with a micro bevel on the edges, which adds to that authentic timber aesthetic. The planks are 5mm thick and quite heavy, so they are super sturdy, and they can be installed as a do-it-yourself job in small areas, or permanent bond for that professional high-quality installation. TIMBERNEER luxury vinyl flooring is available now at your preferred DecoRug retail store. Click on the tab if you'd like to know more or to arrange a measure and quote. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy shopping with us at DecoRug, and bye for now.